to Echoes of Nature. Today, we embark on an adventure to explore the remarkable Markhor, a goat-like species known for its elegance and survival in extreme mountain terrains. Let's dive into 5 majestic facts about this incredible creature. At number 1, National Animal of Pakistan. The Markhor is proudly recognized as Pakistan's national animal, symbolizing courage and strength in the face of adversity. At number 2, iconic spiral horns. The Markhor is famed for its spiral-shaped horns, which can grow up to 5 feet long in males, making them one of nature's most striking displays. At number 3, Masters of Climbing. Markhors are expert climbers, navigating steep and rocky cliffs with ease to evade predators and find vegetation. At number 4, unique name origin. The name Markhor is derived from Persian, meaning snake eater. This likely references their ability to survive in snake-infested regions or folklore about their mythical powers. At number 5, social yet solitary. Markhors live in small groups during summer but often solitary during winter as food becomes scarce and competition rises. The Markhor is a testament to nature's resilience and beauty, thriving in the face of challenges. If you love learning about this magnificent creature, hit like, share, and subscribe to Echoes of Nature. Let us know in the comments which animal you'd like us to feature next.